Hello there. I'm Trevor.
I'm Aiden, and today, in somewhere in the middle, we're at Sofi Stadium seeing Chargers versus Bears.
Been a Bears fan my whole life. Here in Southern California, though, kind of always root for the Chargers. And this kid's suffered with me in being raised a Bears fan and a Chargers fan. So imagine that. We're here to see Chargers and Bears at SoFi Stadium. So basically, this is a win-win, in our opinion.
Yep.
Either way, whoever wins, we're going to enjoy this game.
But I still want the Bears to win.
Still want the Bears to win.
Go Bears.
That being said, go Bears. Let's go. Chargers game day, baby. Let's go, Bolts. Taking a walk around the park. Walk around the exterior. Double dickas. Chargers game day, baby. Let's go, Bolts. I guess. It actually is Chargers game day, baby. Someone who likes both the Bolts and the Bears. As my son and I said, this is a win-win. Nice little infinity waterway out in front of SoFi. Water looks a little murky. No murky. That's rad over there, though. Over there, they got the SoFi sign. Aiden's way up close here. Sunday Night Football. Let's go. It's just not like the booth. It's not like the ESPN booth or anything. Stadium is huge. A little overwhelming, to be honest. Hey, look, there's Khalil Mack.
Come back to the Bears.
Once a Chicago Bear,
Always a Chicago Bear.
I love prior a Raider. This guy's bounced all around, huh? Some cool sidelines. Structures are at.
I think before it gets too busy, you move.
Yeah, food. Definitely want to look into food. Although I've heard people complain that the food here is pretty bad. That there's not a lot of good options.
That is kind of true, actually.
What the heck are you doing?
I don't know. I'm just having fun. It's like slippery.
You're giddy at a football stadium.
Hell yeah.
First NFL game,
Hell yeah.
pro. We've had season tickets almost your whole life for UCLA, but
I was like 16, I think.
well, yeah, we got rid of them. Not your whole life. That's true. Look across the way there, you can see the Clipper Stadium being built. They'll have a brand new stadium, state of the art. While the Lakers will be stuck in the old. The stadium's awesome. It really is a feat.
82 minutes to kick.
I'm pretty hyped on this stadium and really excited to see Chicago Bears and the Los Angeles Chargers today for Sunday Night Football.
Sunday night.
A game that many might have said, why did they keep this a Sunday night game? I mean, both teams are not very good this season.
Now we balling.
Tonight's still going to be fun. And from our perspective, any play's a good play.
Hell yeah.
Let's go, Bears. Let's go, Chargers.
Bear down.
Bear down, Chicago
Bear
Bears.
down and bolt up.
Bear down and bolt up. Let's go.
The other deal is going. For next season, even though the
Love that little Grateful Dead Chargers.
These are everywhere. These bolts. Reminds me of Blink 182.
I think. Should I get one? Wear it on my neck? Nope. Stadium is so beautiful. What the 400s today? Hype. 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 The Bears coming on field, baby. Let's go. This is a cool stadium, huh? Crazy. State-of-the-art technology. Massive. And the screens are huge. You feel like you're completely inside, even though you're outside. It's awesome. So freaking cool. 440, there it is. 440 our section right here, baby. This stadium is epic. Straight up epic. This stadium is just masterclass. Architecture feat and really cool. Sightlines are awesome. We're high. We're in the 400s, one up above the 500s up there. Still, looks great. Love it. And as you can see, we got the video board right at sightline. Pretty exciting how good these seats are. What do you think? Seats? Oh yeah, they look great. What's our view? You happy? Awesome. We got the back row. We're row 3 and section 440. We're on the visitor sideline. We're on the Bears sideline, and we're ready. As you can see, rocking that butt kiss. Rest in peace.
Dick Butkus played defense like no NFL player before or since.
Dick Butkus was a great player for the Bears. Legendary Bear.
Long before America had Hulk Hogan, the NFL had Dick Butkus.
One thing downside, I guess, is we're looking right into the sun right now. That's our view. That's that sun. Woo! Looking good. Got your burger. Burger time. What's putting on there? Is that mayonnaise? Yeah. What are you putting on there? I'm just kidding, I'm not like that. Bro, did you just put mayonnaise on your burger? Yeah.
Both fans, welcome to Sunday Night Football, Sofi Stadium.
Let's go!
Sunday Night Football in our house. Let's go. My name is Danny White. I'm your host. I'm coming to you live from our Energy Stage, which, by the way, is brought to you tonight by Trolls Band Together. Great.
Trolls World Tour was amazing. I don't know about this new one, but I love Band Together. Actually, good. Trolls World Tour rules. Hot take.
Well, that would have done it.
Yeah. My grandma hated this song. Oh, you're strong.
To the field, your
Sunday night football, baby.
On the ramparts we watch, were so gallantly free. And
Coin toss time.
Gentlemen, welcome to Sunday Night Football. This is the coin that we were going to use tonight. Over there.
Play first down. Let's go, Bears.
that brings up
That was huge. Extreme fan right here. Let's go. Let's go, Bears. Oh, terrible.
No, it's not good. You get that 41-yard pass and you take it.
The play calling's terrible. How do we do one big play and then we do all three little plays? Huge. And then insane. Let's go. Waste of time. Gross. Punt. Chargers moving up the field. Started this play at the 8. We're currently at the what? 38.
You cut there, Austin. There you go.
Oh, look at that. Look at I can't be mad at that play. Can't be mad at that play. Look good. Great block.
A few minutes later.
Second touchdown. I wasn't filming. Brown.
He definitely belonged in this game.
I should have.
Chargers did.
I should have.
Chargers need 35 points at least.
They're gonna go 21-0 and then we'll they're
If you watch the Chargers game, that's what happens.
there you go. Nice.
He just dropped it. He just straight. It's ruined.
Let go of it. Please tell me we have the ball.
I think they got it.
I don't know who he was throwing to. It made no sense. Bolt up. This is what happens when you're a Bears fan. Bolt up. Bolts up. The Bears are definitely down. Bears down. Bolts up. It's okay. Hey, sad bear. Scrolling. Trubskis. It's so good. So good, so sad. Great representation of what it is to be a Bears fan. Perfect. It's the best Halloween costume you could see. And again, this whole stadium is pretty much full of sad Bears fans right now. You look around and it's all sad Bears fans. And this the section we're in, these are the only two guys that are wearing Chargers stuff. I forgot. My good friend, Jermaine. He's also the only other guy wearing Chargers.
Chargers for sure.
Yeah. Cheering and wearing Chargers.
Yes, the next Chargers. First down.
For the Chargers. First down.
Chargers game day, baby.
That's right, baby.
Bolts up. Bears down.
Bears didn't score in our end over.
Yes, sir. My son rooting against his Chargers.
That's good.
And the kick is good.
Bolts up, baby. Bolts up, baby. Let's go buy some Bolts gear and switch outfits for the second half. And then there's this is not something you see every day. Look at this feet. The men's room. Nice line. Lord. 160. Let's go, Bears! Let's go, Bears. We made it again. Big six, big six. They just grounded it. He just grounded it. Let's go, Bears! Let's go, Bears! Let's go, Bears! Let's go, Bears! All right, we need the Chargers to get miffed here. Our pick. I'm just gonna stop him. Stop him. Yes. I don't want any more scores. Bear down! Let's go! Son of a touchdown. You're supposed to didn't even face me. Why?
The Bears.
The Bears.
Freaking Bear. The life of a Bears fan. It's okay. I still love you guys. I never want to let you go. The Bears keep me up all night. 4 seconds to go. Knee time. Let's go, Eberflus. Take a knee.
Good knee. Solid knee. Solid knee.
Solid knee. Halftime. Bears, Chargers. Bears getting their butts whooped. It's fine. We're still enjoying ourselves here. What are you getting? What are we in line for?
I'm getting Korean Chicken Loaded Tots.
That sounds good.
Hot dogs with fire here. The satellite dog sounds bomb. The regular hot dog sounds bomb. It's a deep fried city. And the Korean Chicken Loaded Tots. We are getting some of those.
That chili hot dog was really good. I wish I would have filmed it, but I was too busy sitting down and doing everything else. So now we're gonna get another hot dog and some loaded tots. Well, we get some crispy chicken and tots, crispy chicken sandwich. We should get that. Let's get the crispy chicken sandwich. That sounds good too.
I want the cream.
Look at Jermaine right there. Look at Jermaine. Look at that guy. Who's that guy? I know that guy. He's got more subscribers than we do. How about chips and water for $11? Make it a combo, guys. Get that $11 chips and water. Make it a $28 chicken sandwich. A $28 chicken sandwich. All right, let's see what we're dealing with here. What do we got? We got that's probably my hot dog.
That's the crispy chicken sandwich. There's my loaded tots. You got some tizzies. Some loaded tizzies. Korean loaded tizzies. Those are good. We got a crispy chicken sandwich here. Some pickles. Good. And then a hot dog. I think it's Korean fried. Or it's just, ooh. It's like, it's actually pretty good. I gotta put some mustard on that, baby. Let's get a bite of this. Probably all of it. That's a good hot dog. I like it. I like that hot dog. It is fried. You can see it. I wish I had onions to go with this. It tastes like it's a Nathan's hot dog that's fried. I'm not mad at it at all. I like it. I like it a lot.
I like it a lot.
Korean fried chicken, how is it? It's not dry, and the mayo makes it real good. The mayo makes it real good. Wasn't I complaining about mayo earlier today? I love mayo. I love it. Korean fried chicken, tots, nuggets. That's good. It's sweet. It's spicy. Beautiful. Good snap. The hot dog's bomb, right? Yeah. I think it's a Nathan's hot dog that's fried. I like it. It's almost like getting a Pink's hot dog. It snaps. That's good. Yeah, that's bomb. What's up? What's up? Bears are down. Next up, we got a chicken sandwich. Chicken sandwich with the pickles, barbecue sauce. Let's see. All right, I've already had a mishap. I've had pieces fall. That whole piece fell. That whole tender fell. So let's see how this is. Here we go. Chicken tender sandwich, spicy. I think. I don't know. No. No. I just dropped it. 5 seconds, we'll cut it. A major mishap. I spilled half my chicken sandwich on my jersey. The sandwich just fell apart. What'd you think? That's pretty good. It's nice and sweet. The chicken's the best part about it. Tenders are good, but it doesn't really hold together as a sandwich. It falls apart. Like a dip I spilled on my jersey. Chicago, you've seen nothing but the other side of the stadium. Winnie the Pooh, blood and honey. Let's go. We need a touchdown. 14-30. Let's go. You got it. No? Is that the one?
Oh, they're going for the president's show.
Where's Philly? Something for one. Did they even get it? Get it. Where's Philly when you need it? Still? Not even? Good Lord.
Okay, no more. You got it? That's great.
No, they didn't get it.
You see the thing that happened. They're not even trying.
All right. 14. Let's go, Bears. Hey, let's go, Bears. He said something. We scored 2 touchdowns, 14 points. Yeah, he's across. That's how you know Chargers ain't that good. The Bears scored 14 points.
The Bears.
The Bears. Missed the extra point. Or, I mean, 2 points. Stupid.
All they need is an onside kick, touchdown, onside kick, touchdown.
And we got this. This ain't no Chicago song.
Oh, they lost it. They had it.
What do you think? That was a fun game, but Bears got their poo-poo, but that's okay. The Bears.
The Bears.
The Bears. Chargers up or Bolts up. Bears down. Still, great time. Always fun with my boy. Enjoy with my dad. Always enjoy sports events together. And Sofi Stadium. I want to come back to this place a lot because this place is dynamic. I love it. It's a great stadium. Concerts. If we get the Olympics in this place, hey, why are we not doing soccer in here? Rose Bowl sucks. This place should be it. We'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye-bye. Auf Wiedersehen. Go Bears. Go Bears. Bolts up. Bears down.
I like these cups. I want water cups like these. You buy them for me for Christmas?
You want cups like this for Christmas? That's all you want?
Yeah.
Okay. If I can find it.
Thanks.